The CDC issuing an advisory this afternoon on cyclosporiasis, an intense gastrointestinal illness impacting more than 30 states right now. Health officials in Michigan say lettuce and salad greens may be behind an outbreak in 4 of those states, including Kentucky.
LEX News anchor Annie Brown sitting down with health officials to learn about the illness and what you can do to keep your family healthy.
If you have this, you're probably going to be okay.
Cyclosporiasis may seem scary, but the intense gastrointestinal illness caused by the microscopic parasite cyclospora, known to latch onto produce with hallmark symptoms like diarrhea, cramping, nausea, and even fever, is nothing new.
This is what I would call a normally occurring parasite in, the year.
The concern with this year is how rapidly the outbreak is spreading. Experts suspect more than 400 cases in 4 states, Michigan, Ohio, West Virginia, and Kentucky, may be connected to lettuce and salad greens. The Kentucky Department of Public Health reports 100 cases of suspected cyclosporiasis. 55 of those cases have been confirmed, and 7 hospitalizations have been reported. That's compared to around 35 cases Kentucky typically reports in a given year. But Woodford County Public Health Director Cassie Prather says the number of cases could be higher.
They do go underreported because most people, and this is a good thing, they're able to completely recover at home.
CDC says symptoms of cyclosporiasis typically begin about a week after exposure and can last days or even weeks and are usually treated with antibiotics or simply rest and hydration. The illness does not spread from person to person.
As with anything, whether it be flu, common cold, whatever, anybody that is at risk for developing other symptoms, the young, the old, the immune compromised, they kind of always have to have their guard up just because they don't have the same immune protection that healthy people do.
Kentucky health officials recommend washing fresh produce before eating them under running water, washing your hands thoroughly before and after touching produce, as well as cooking it when possible in order to kill the parasite. And if you're immunocompromised, it's recommended you avoid raw fruit and vegetables.
Cooking it is absolutely the best case scenario, and you would want to get that temperature up to at least 155.
Prather recommends that if you're sick, to talk to your medical professionals and, as the source of the outbreak has yet to officially be identified, to cooperate with local and state tracing efforts.
Please answer that call or answer that text, because the quicker that we can get these investigations completed, the quicker that we can identify the source.
In Woodford County, Annie Brown, LEX News.